needed that. I needed that. We up and at it. Monday. This is my breakfast today, y'all. Dry cereal. Dry cereal. We on the dry cereal move right now. I'm gonna listen to what y'all think about car hauling? It looked dangerous. But of course, all this stuff is dangerous. But anyway, we on this new journey. I hope y'all slept good, woke up right. Y'all doing what y'all need to do for this week. The month is speeding by. It definitely is. It's speeding by. It is speeding by. I got this truck right here, y'all. Y'all see the truck? I don't know. I'm gonna have to probably give it a welfare check, but that truck right there been sitting right there a couple of days, and it's crazy because that's one of my biggest fears. Like you saying, people be dying in their trucks. That truck been right there a couple of days right now, and I gonna have to send somebody out to see what's going on with it because he shouldn't be parked right there like that. I'm gonna knock on it next time I'm there so I can see. But yeah, man, this trucking right here, this is all we doing is trucking. I got here to this appointment last night early, and dude told me, oh, I'm trying to go home. I just closed like 3 minutes ago. Bro, why you won't just give me a door and let me drop this trailer and come back in the morning and get it? I don't know. They be acting like they saving a lot of time. But if I was late though, I'm on time, but if I was late though, they'll be making a big deal about it. You feel what I'm saying? It's crazy how you don't get rewarded for being on time, or being early rather. You don't even get rewarded for being on time, but late they gonna charge you, or they gonna try to, you know what I'm saying? It's crazy. We pulling up to this spot right now. Like I said, I hope y'all got y'all rest. The month is flying by for some strange reason. Time is moving faster than anything. So if you got something that you want to do, something that you want to take up in life, or something you want to go about, how you want to go about something, please do that, because time waits on no man at all. Not one person. Don't wait on nobody. I don't care who you are and what you're doing. If you're thinking about doing something in this lifetime, do it. Try your best to do it and get it done. For real. There's 2 trucks here. Let's see how this goes, man. I just wish he would just let me do it. But I know now, I'll get here before. Look, I got here at 9:03 when he said. So I'm gonna get here way earlier. I'm gonna start getting here at 7, 6, 7. Yeah. Yep. Make sure the tandems don't hit that curb. That's what they teach you in class when you getting your license. You cannot let them tandems touch that curve. They gonna make you start over. Let's see how this works out. Then the gates just open right up. Dude, it's something else. Let's see how this works out. nowhere else. I'm parking right by the door. They want me to park way over there, right? When I should be parking, I can park right here unless I'm blocking somebody. So I'm just making sure that I get out the way, because they got to come out and check my seal, make sure the seal is verified. See how this work out. You know how you deal with people with power and they want to always try to flex their power. I did. Did I get it on duty? I did not. I did. Let's see. I got a full charge too. It's Monday. It's kind of quiet. We got 2 trucks outside. Typically, I always see more than that. But I know Thursdays is like one of them days. It's kind of like it'll be crazy over the top on Thursdays. Hopefully I got a good 12 on my day. I should be in Lawrenceburg, Tennessee right now at 7 o'clock. So unfortunately that's a delay. I don't know. So that's what I'm doing now. He's about to come out and check the seal. So let's see how it works out. Right. Thank you. Now, he gave me my paperwork, check the seal, and I'm going to door 117. So, let me hurry up. I'll get back with y'all in a minute. When you come to these little towns, well, it ain't really, I mean, it's a small town to me, because I'm from the big city. Lawrenceburg, Tennessee. Like, they be having a lot going on once you hit the city, the downtown rather. They be having a lot going on, and then the industrial area be crazy, real crazy. So let's see, I'm here at the location. Oh, okay, I've been here before. I think I came here before. Yeah, I did come here before. Okay. Let me get y'all back. Let me make this call.
So of course, light on. Want to make sure it's swept out, clean, because they gonna put food on here. So, see, boy, okay, gotta. Let me get back at y'all. Let me switch this. So look, we here. I done came to the TA. It's supposed to snow in the morning, so I came and got me a nice little spot. Let me go ahead and get this thing right. Get this thing right quick, a little post trip. Hey, it's parking spots galore right here. TA. On my way to Oklahoma. Look at the stars. Can y'all see the stars? Yes, sir. Woo-hoo-hoo! Yeah. So I dropped my GoPro and it repaired my file. So dope. Park next to these people right here. Hopefully when I wake up, it ain't gonna snow. I'm trying to get up this highway. Look at all these fucking spots, man. All these fucking spots. Take the baby out. Let me get a snap. Added a highlight. Okay. Ended that ride. Hey man, I'm here, man. Let's go. Money Hungry G's, Money Hungry the brand. Tapped in with your boy. Hey man, I appreciate y'all rocking with me. I definitely do. I'm about to shut down right now. See, okay, bam. I'm gonna get back at y'all though. Money Hungry G's. We got another morning upon us. Quick little, woo. Hey, it's cold out there. When I say it's cold, it's 27 degrees right now and dropping. It's about to snow, so I'm trying to hurry up, get this load off my trailer so I can head back down towards the house, because I don't want to be in the snow right now. I mean, it's gonna only do it for about 24 hours, but still, I don't want to be in it. But we trucking, top of the morning. Gotta throw some of this trash out. Get my day going. Get back with y'all shortly. I don't understand why dudes, well, I kind of do now, but it makes no sense. You're a professional driver, you got your CDLs, all these parking spots available, and you park where they tell you not to park at. Come on, bro. Y'all can do better. Get up out of here, man. Y'all almost had me. Y'all almost had me. Say local traffic only. They need to make sure they put a highlight right there, because somebody gonna get on there and they ain't gonna know what to do. Now they going down that little side road. We trying to beat the snowstorm, y'all. It's a snowstorm coming, so that's what we on. We on this highway at 540. Yes, sir. Get going, man. I hope y'all have a tremendous day and it's productive. I got an hour and some change to go. I'll hit y'all when I get to the destination. Hey, so I made it to I made it to the drop. Trying to get out of here. Trying to speed up. We gotta beat this snow. Snow supposed to be coming. There's supposed to be a lot of sleet. We got a state of emergency. That's the crazy part. State of emergency. They don't want nobody on the roads because it's supposed to be freezing and getting really cold. So ain't nothing like getting a load off your truck. You get to be empty and you get the hammer down. And you get the hammer down and do what you need to do. I'll get back with y'all when I get up the road a little bit. Run the Hot Springs. Hot Springs. And then drop this empty off. And yeah. So I can get back this way. Oh my God, we cooking, y'all. It's starting to rain a little bit. I'm just trying to avoid the sleet and the sliding. Whoa. Hold on. No music. I'm trying not to get copyrighted. There we go. Got that little tug. So I'm it's coming down. I gotta go, y'all. Oh man, I gotta go. This is crazy. So let me tell y'all, well, it ain't really snowing like that right now, but what I'm finna do is I got merch, ship this merch out. Have to park on the side of the highway so I could walk over here. That's unfortunately I can't really walk and over there and that. So walking over here, he over there waiting for the snow to come. Yeah, so post office right there. I'm walking, get these packages shipped off, and get this product to my people. That's what I gotta do. I'm glad I got y'all with me. Tripping. I was supposed to have my other jacket on, but it didn't work out the right way. I was moving fast trying to get this done. Yeah. Trying to get this done. That's all I try to do. Get it done, G's. Get it done. Finna make it a lot easier. Cause right now I'm doing it the old school way. Hand to hand. I need UPS. So we're just making it work. Y'all with me on this journey. I need some. We need help with it. I ain't gonna lie. Definitely need help. Hold on. Let's see, 2040. Should be 60. How much did I spend? Figure out how much it is to ship each of these. See. Okay. Okay, go. Withdraw. 35. Do it all. See if we can get this going. So I get back to the truck and get up the highway. So that's what I'm doing. Okay. See how we can make this happen. I think I got everything already ready to go. I do.
Hello.
Hello, how are you?
How are you?
All right, yourself. Make it easy. We back on the truck doing what we do. Packages off, getting shipped. Now I gotta work on some more merch, man. What should I drop next? Y'all let me know, man. Tap in with your boy. Let me know what I should do next. And this weather, boy. Woo! Hey, it is what it is. We gonna get to the B-Zag. No, that's what we gonna do. I'm trying to avoid this ice. This ice is full. 31 degrees. Push it, man. Now let me know what I should come with next. Now let me know what I should do next. Yeah. Well, it's not snowing yet, but y'all see what is going on. It's 31 degrees right now and raining, so it can be some sleet. If you're not familiar with sleet, black ice, it is possible. So, you know, you got to be mindful when you're traveling over this. Too long of a time on this highway, it can get the sliding and going crazy. So take your time and be careful. That sure is what I'm doing. I ain't trying to be sliding off the road. Not trying to do that. Hey, if you are new to my channel though, because I always get somebody new. I need y'all to come back. If you are new to my channel, like, subscribe, and comment. Real talk, cut your post notifications on. I really need y'all to do that for your boy. If you are a returning viewer, drop a comment. Simple, basic emoji, anything, it doesn't matter. Drop a comment. We love that. You know what I'm saying? YouTubers love that. But you know, we just doing what we doing, trying to get this this content for y'all on this highway as we up the road we go. You know what I'm saying? Speed limit is 65. I'm gonna do 55. I'm not about to be trying to haul and, you know, do that, go crazy. And I know that the weather ain't right now. You know what I'm saying? But yeah, hopefully it's supposed to be back right tomorrow. So, you know, I'm just hoping that it changes direction tomorrow and don't get worse. But we on the highway doing what it do, man. That's it. That's all we doing. Get back with y'all.